guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Prakriti and today we are going to move further with Article 19 of Indian Constitution. Article 19 is also known as the backbone of this part. So by this introduction, one thing must be clear in your head that it is very important. It consists of bundle of rights. It gives citizens 6 kinds of rights. These 6 rights are given to the citizens. So the question arises here is, company will be considered as a citizen for the purpose of Article 19? The answer is given through the case laws. Firstly, Express Newspaper Private Limited and another versus the Union of India and others. In this case of 1958, where 5 judges held that company is not a citizen. Later on, in the case of Sakal Papers Private Limited and others versus Union of India, in the year of 1962, in 5 judges bench, relief has been granted to the petitioners claiming fundamental rights as a shareholders or editors of the newspaper companies. In the other case of State Trading Corporation of India Limited versus Commercial Tax Officer, in the year of 1963, with 9 judges bench, Supreme Court held that company or corporation is not a citizen of India and cannot therefore claim such of the fundamental rights as have been conferred upon citizens. The court said is concerned only with natural persons and not juristic persons. But in the other case of 1970, R.C. Cooper versus Union of India, also known as Bank Nationalization case, where 11 judges bench held that the rights of the shareholders should be protected because they are also the citizen of India and therefore their rights was secured. In the another case of Bennett Coleman and Corporation versus Union of India, year of 1973, of 5 judges bench, judgment was as similar as bank nationalization case where rights of the shareholders were protected. So here it is very clear that the company's people's right are to be secured under this article. Here are 6 kinds of rights, and this article is divided into 2 parts. Firstly, clause 1, second, consists of clause 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the clause 1, what rights are given to Indian citizens are mentioned, and in clause 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, the restrictions which are imposed on those rights are mentioned. In the clause 1, subclause A, freedom of speech and